Hi, welcome back. It's John here from Chicane, and we're going to discuss the pros and cons of recommissioning a V8. The main thing is cost. You're going to recommission a V8 probably half the cost as a full restoration, and time, the scale it's going to be done in is going to be half the time scale as well, so you get your car on the road. Also with a recommission, you're leaving a lot of originality in the car as well, so if the interior is in good condition, you can leave the leather, which is what people like these days. And also doing upgrades on a recommission is a really good time to upgrade the suspension, engine, gearbox, air conditioning, whatever. But the most important thing is to make sure that you have a good base car. Make sure the chassis is in good condition and the bodywork, because that's where a lot of the money goes. Okay, so the cons, there aren't that many cons. It's not going to be a show queen, but that's okay. It's going to be a little bit rough around the edges, but it's what we like. That's the beauty of a recommission. So that's a quick introduction about recommissioning cars. So thank you for watching. Please get in contact for any questions.